to create a File Transfer Protocol (FTP) account in cPanel. Log into your cPanel account and you will see this page. In the Files section, click on the FTP Accounts icon. Enter the desired username in the login text box. You can enter the password manually, then type it again to confirm. If you want to give access to the entire public_HTML folder, enter public_HTML or change folder path to a different path like public_HTML new user, and your FTP user will be granted access to only the new user folder. By doing this, your FTP user will be unable to access folders outside of the public_HTML new user folder. Specify the quota in numbers or select unlimited. Click on the option button to select any one option. Click on the Create FTP Account button. That's it, you have successfully created a FTP account in cPanel. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need any further support.